Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. In the aftermath of the 7.8 magnitude earthquake that struck Mindanao on June 8, our personnel continue to demonstrate the PNP standard of public service. Across affected communities, police officers remain on the ground, assisting in relief operations, securing evacuation centers and critical facilities, helping maintain public order, and supporting the delivery of essential services. Amid uncertainty and hardship, we showed compassion in action and reaffirmed that the PNP remains a dependable partner of the people in times of crisis. Ang inyong malasakit, dedikasyon at sakripisyo ay tunay na diwa ng paglilingkod bayan. I also commend our operating units for our recent accomplishments against economic crimes. From June 13 to 19, coordinated anti-smuggling operations conducted in Lalo del Sur, Sulu, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay, Zamboanga del Norte, Davao Oriental, and Cotabato resulted in the confiscation of more than 100 million pesos worth of smuggled cigarettes and the arrest of individuals involved in illegal trade activities. These successful operations protected the nation's financial interests, safeguarded legitimate businesses, disrupted criminal networks, and reinforced our commitment to uphold the rule of law through intelligence-driven and focused police operations. At the same time, we express concern over the recent stabbing incidents reported inside schools in Cavite. Violence has no place in our schools. Our learners, teachers, and school personnel deserve an environment that is safe and conducive to learning. I therefore direct all police commanders to strengthen police visibility around schools, intensify preventive patrols, conduct security assessments, and sustain close coordination with school authorities, local government units, parents, and community stakeholders. Let us remain proactive and vigilant in addressing threats before they escalate into incidents. On June 19, continuous police operations led to the arrest of 2 suspects in Clark Freeport Zone involved in the killing of a Korean national on June 18. This swift resolution is the result of firm, coordinated police work supported by CCTV, intelligence efforts, and close cooperation among our units and partners. I commend PRO3 for an outstanding display of an intelligence-driven police criminal investigation. As members of the Philippine National Police, we are called upon not only to enforce the law, but also to provide assurance and security to the communities we serve. Whether responding to disasters, combating criminality, or protecting our schools, our presence must always inspire confidence and trust. Sa bawat tungkulin na ating ginagampanan, tandaan natin na ang suot nating uniforme ay simbolo ng pananagutan, dangal at paglilingkod. Patuloy nating gampanan ang ating mandato ng may integridad, disiplina at malasakit sa kapwa. Together, let us continue moving forward in pursuit of a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.